So we have a printer here, L110. Client said that it will automatically blink when you power on. You can hear that some kind of sound there. Let's do it again and try to listen. Like Aquitis. It's jam. That should be jam problem. Let's try to open very quick. So first of all, you can't rotate this one. It's stuck or jam. Something is there. It's really hard. What is? It's very rusty. Maybe this printer has been has not been used for a while. So we'll try to use this anti-rust WD-40. Spray directly there. There are many reasons why the printer is jammed. But this one is, I think it's a rust. Let's try to power on again. Restart. Also, the switch here is very hard to press. See? So it now rotates because I think it's only the rust that holds there that make it jam. So I guess it's fixed already because the error is gone. You can also put this one here, but this is for metal, I think, but it's okay. Don't worry to not short any component, electronic component there, because it's zero conductivity. No problem with the electronics, even if you spray directly to the board.